In today's video, I'm gonna unbox the TEKTON half-inch 6-point sockets. It's 23 pieces from 10 millimeter to 32 millimeter. Let's go ahead and open this up. So this one is, I got it from the Amazon warehouse, used. It's used. Very good condition, supposedly. Let's go ahead and check that out. So if you're wondering in what condition you get the items, sometimes they come very oily. It's really no big deal since they're just tools. They're gonna get dirty anyways. So it costs currently in the market $138 if you buy it brand new. I got it for $107 with 53 cents since it was the Amazon warehouse. So here it is. Let's go ahead and open it up. Flip this one around. It's pretty heavy. Case is pretty nice. Has a TEKTON right there. Pretty big case. Let me go ahead and measure it. So from side to side, it measures 15 inches. And 9.5 top to bottom. Almost 3.5 inches. Let's go ahead and open it. So these are exactly what I wanted. It's really beefy. It's a 32 millimeter 6-point. You have the TEKTON right there. Looks really nice. So from 10 all the way to 32, doesn't skip any. And get one of the smaller ones. It's a 13 millimeter. Also says TEKTON. Can barely see it right there. It doesn't want to focus. So it holds the little sockets really nice. Don't want to press on it too hard here because I'm on the glass desk here. I don't want to break anything. So these hold up really good. These are just nice and loose. Go ahead and just sort them out. and check that. Always check to see if they all say TEKTON. Okay, one thing I did notice, let's grab the number 32. So the engraving here on the back is barely noticeable. You can see it, but it's barely noticeable. And on other ones, it's really nice engraved. As you can see the comparison here. This one is really nice. I don't know why. But I really like this deep engrave here. This one you can barely notice it. It's one thing to keep in mind. So I mainly bought him for this very nice impact. So let's go ahead and see how well it goes in. So comes off easily. And try this small one. It's really nice. I like them. Really think it's worth the $107 that I paid since they were used. Highly recommend these. Anything that you're gonna use the impact on. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.